Good morning kabayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Park Place Village sa Nabu, Imus, Cavite para i-feature yung unit na nasa likod natin which is ready for occupancy, selling at 11.2 million with the lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 199 square meters. Tara kabayan, ito kabayan yung ating 2 carport dito sa property na to. And dito kabayan yung ating nasa kanan, yan yung ating inside garden kabayan. So dito naman kabayan, since this is a single unit, ito yung ating area for the service area and for the laundry area. So kabayan, upon turnover, pwede nating magpa-request tayo dito para mapalagyan natin ito ng bubong at magkaroon ng enclosure yung ating laundry area. Tara kabayan, pasukin naman natin ang loob. So ito kabayan yung ating main door. This is a solid wood kabayan. And upon entry, so makikita natin kabayan yung layout natin. This is an open layout. Ito yung ating magiging living area. Pwedeng dito yung ating TV, doon yung ating sofa, and dito yung ating dining area kabayan. So makikita nyo yung tiles natin kabayan. This is a 60 by 60 imported tiles. Yung ating bintana kabayan, sliding window. Yan. And kagandahan kabayan ay meron tong kasamang screen window kabayan. So makikita nyo kabayan yung kasama na to, yung nakikita nyo ngayon, this is the actual unit turnover. Makita nyo kabayan, may ceiling, kasama na yan upon turnover. Ito kabayan yung ating access to the lanai area. This is a sliding door din kabayan with a screen door. So ayan, pwede natin gawin dyan, para yung mga small insects kabayan hindi makapasok. And ang kagandahan kabayan, ito, pakita namin sa inyo yung spacing natin dito sa labas. Hindi lang tayo makalabas ng konti kasi medyo maulan ngayon. So makikita nyo kabayan yung water tank natin, that is included, that is with 700 liters capacity. So kabayan, ito naman yung ating magiging kitchen area. Yan, ito yung ating fitted overhead cabinet kabayan, yung ating fitted under cabinet, itong ating pull-out stainless, ito kabayan. May mga drawer na rin tayo, stainless sink. Yan. And ito kabayan, yung ating para sa lutuan, sa range hood. And yung pinto natin kabayan, dito sa likod, this is also a solid wood kabayan. Pakita namin kanina kabayan, pinakita namin sa inyo, ito yung ating service area. Yan. Ito yung ating service area sa labas, papakita namin sa inyo. And yung magiging, rin na rin dito kabayan, yung ating, ito kabayan, yung ating magiging pwede sa ating laundry area. So pwede natin palagyan ng bubong to upon turnover. And dito yung ating magiging service area. Ay kabayan, dito sa ating ground floor, meron tayong powder room. Ito kabayan yung ating powder room. So ayan kabayan yung ating powder room, complete set of bathroom features na yung kabayan. And ang kagandahan dito kabayan sa room na to, meron tayong 1 bedroom. So kung meron tayong mga kasamang elderly or kung meron tayong staff na kasama sa bahay, ito ang pwede. Meron tong 1 bedroom, tapos dito kami sa kabayan sa loob, may cabinet na rin, merong provision for window type aircon, and kagandahan dito kabayan, meron tong kasamang toilet and bath. So ayun mga kabayan, yung ating toilet and bath with quality na yung kabayan, yung ating mga ginamit ditong bathroom pictures kabayan. Ayan. Ayun kabayan, mag-recap lang tayo. This unit is selling at 11.2 million with a lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 199 square meters. So makita nyo kabayan, open layout yung ating living and dining area. So meron tong 1 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, and powder room. Tara, akitin mo natin ang taas kabayan. So ito kabayan, pag akit natin sa taas, this is our wooden steps kabayan. Ito yung ating handrails. So kandahan kabayan, meron tayong mga glass panel dito para sa meron tayong free flow of light. Yan. And dito sa second floor kabayan, we have 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So, tingnan natin kabayan. Ito muna. Unahin natin to. Ito yung bedroom number 1 natin. Yan kabayan, ating bedroom number 1. So, makikita na kabayan, itong cabinet na to. This is a modular cabinet. Ayan kabayan. From floor to ceiling yung ating cabinet. Ating vanity area. And ito kabayan, ating provision for window type aircon. At ito kabayan naman yung ating toilet and bath dito sa ating bedroom number 1. So, nakita nyo kabayan, yung ating tiles dyan is from floor to ceiling with shower glass enclosure na yung kabayan. Kung makikita nyo kabayan, this is the actual unit turnover. So let's go kabayan in bedroom number 2. So ito kabayan ating bedroom number 2. Yan. So same with bedroom number 1 kabayan with provision for window type aircon. Ito yung ating vanity area. This is our modular cabinets kabayan. Ang height natin is from floor to ceiling. And our toilet and bath. So pakita namin kabayan yung ating toilet and bath din dito sa bedroom number 2. So ayan kabayan. So high quality bathroom features na rin kabayan yung ating ginamit yan. And kagandahan din, same with bedroom number 1, meron itong shower enclosure. So let's go kabayan in bedroom number 3 or our master's bedroom. Yan kabayan sa ating, ito yung ating magiging master's bedroom kabayan. Yan, so kung sa bedroom 1 and 2, provision for window type aircon, dito naman kabayan is for split type aircon. So ito kabayan ating magiging bedroom number 3. Ito yung ating vanity area. And this will be our modular cabinets kabayan na ang height natin is from floor to ceiling. And same with 1 and 2 kabayan, meron tayong toilet and bath. Pero ang kagandahan nito, yung ating toilet and bath is meron itong bathtub kabayan. So ayan yung kanyang bathtub. And same with bedroom 1 and 2, meron na rin tayong kasamang shower enclosure. Ayan kabayan ating shower enclosure. So interested kabayan sa property na to, this is selling at 11.2 million with a lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 190 square meters. This is a ready for occupancy, modern design house. So interested kabayan, feel free to inquire. Mag-message lang kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo at may pakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung property ina-offer namin dito sa Grand Park Place Village, Cebu, Imus, Cavite. So by the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!